Ooh, now that's some talents, baby. Aisha, didn't hear you coming in. Oh, how are you? Wow, so when did you become so good? And you know what? I've been thinking of a portrait for my birthday. Yeah, like a portrait for my birthday. Yeah, sure, for your birthday. You know what? Drop 100 books right here. And sit right here. And let's start there. 100 what? You can't be charging me. Are you charging? I thought we were friends. Like, I thought you were my friend. You're like friends now. So like, yeah, friends. You are my friends. In fact, we are very close friends. But you know what? I'm not gonna use my teeth to draw, am I? Oh. Hello guys. So subscribe to my channel for